Hi, I'm the gene 51, one gene among thousands that make up this person. But soon, it might be my moment. You see, my host survived metastatic pancreatic cancer. He's part of the 1%. A miracle, they say. What if I was the miracle that saved him? What if I could help save other patients too? Apparently, I've got potential. That's what Cure51 thinks. Cure51 wants to end cancer by 2035. They brought together hospitals, patients, doctors, scientists, engineers, and data scientists. The largest network of oncology centers ever to build the patient profile platform. The platform collects patient data. New profiles come in every day. Each profile contains medical records, epidemiological data, imaging data, and tumor samples to generate multi-omic data. That means a lot of genes. Thousands. I'm from the UK, and I met a relative from Costa Rica, one from Cameroon, and even one from Pakistan. Like with all survivors, my host's profile is paired with someone with a very similar path, but who wasn't quite so lucky. It gives us a frame of reference. Every day, the platform runs comparison between pairs. It looks for patterns of survival. You see, I'm kind of hyperactive. Turns out, my twins are wide awake in other survivors too. The platform detected it. The Cure51 team understood it. I've been identified as a novel therapeutic target. Now they're making me take all kinds of tests. With a community of great scientists and top-notch technology, it's kind of exciting. If I pass, if I really am the reason someone survived, and if it can be repeated, then I'll be off on another journey, on a search for a new drug that can awaken genes like me in all patients. One thing's for sure, they won't stop until they find the cure and all survive.